So as the great scientist Albert Einstein said, if we knew what we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? So welcome back to a series of learning research. Hello, I'm Pooja Negi and welcome to the third episode of our course. And in this episode, we'll learn about the basic 8 steps of doing research. So now we will learn about the basic steps you need to follow while doing a research. So the first step is formulation of a problem. You must have a research problem or a research question before you while conducting a research. The second step is the literature review. So what does literature mean? It is any theory on any particular topic. So before conducting a research, you must have a very good insight and knowledge about your topic. So we'll read the books or any other research papers which is related to your topic so that you can have more knowledge of what you're gonna do. So our third step is developing a hypothesis. So what is a hypothesis? It is a tentative answer to a question. You know, at the end of your research, it could be true or it could be false. So hypothesis is a very important thing because it will give you a frame and a method and a very tentative idea of your research. So our fourth step is forming a research design. So forming a research design is very important because through that you will get an idea of how you're gonna do your research. So you'll design your whole research process. So our next step would be data collection. So here we'll decide the tools we are going to use while conducting a research. So it could be questionnaire or interview or anything you will decide. And the next step is the data analysis or the data interpretation. So here the data we have collected, we'll analyze it and we'll interpret it, and only then we can conclude our research, right? So our last step is report making. So in report making, you'll prepare the report, you'll see all the data, you will conclude it, and at last you're gonna present it. Thank you, and I hope you're getting to learn a lot from this series. If you are, then please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.